For over a century, the pilot was the soul of the aircraft, a symbol of skill and human freedom. But in 2026, that soul has been replaced by a silicon chip. The clouds remain the same, but the hands on the controls have vanished. The EHang 216-S isn't just a vehicle, it's the end of an era. We are entering a sky where the cockpit is a relic of the past. Watch closely, because the silence you hear is the sound of total autonomy.
16 rotors. Even if some fail, the algorithm stays stable. No human reacts this fast. It's pure math in the air.
This is no longer a laboratory prototype. The EH216-S is the world's first certified pilotless taxi, but the race for the sky is just beginning. While EHang dominates urban hops, Boeing's Whisk Generation 6 has already started its intensive flight test campaign, aiming for a fully autonomous 4-passenger service without a single control stick in the cabin. In Europe, the VoloCity is launching its first commercial sandboxes, proving that 18 rotors can be just as precise as any human captain. This German-engineered marvel is redefining urban air mobility with its ultra-low noise profile, specifically designed to blend seamlessly into the dense acoustics of modern city centers. We are moving from single drones to entire swarms of autonomous machines like the intercity VT-35. Unlike its smaller urban cousins, this long-range beast utilizes a lift-and-cruise configuration to bridge the gap between distant provinces, pushing the boundaries of autonomous endurance. All connected, all silent, and all pilotless. GAC, with its GOVE model, has already proven that the future is modular. This isn't just a flying car, it's a vehicle that physically detaches from its chassis to take off vertically, leaving the wheels behind. By shattering the barrier between the road and the air, GAC allows the cabin to soar over traffic while the autonomous base remains on the ground, solving the weight problem that has held back flying cars for decades. But if we talk about scaling this to a global level, we have to look at Supernal. Backed by the industrial might of the Hyundai Motor Group, they aren't just building a drone, they are crafting the SA-2, a high-performance vehicle designed to meet commercial aviation safety standards from day one. Supernal is merging automotive mass production efficiency with aerospace sophistication. Their focus on a premium passenger experience, from noise reduction to cabin comfort, suggests that the future of the sky won't just be fast. It will be as luxurious and accessible as a high-end electric car. This is the heavy hitter entering the ring to ensure that autonomous flight becomes a daily reality for millions. And don't forget XPENG AEROHT, which is testing flying cars straight out of a sci-fi movie, capable of folding their rotors and driving down the street. We are witnessing a technological arms race where companies are investing billions. We aren't talking about if this is going to happen, but who will reach your city first.
Look, no controls, just a screen and the view. Your only job is to sit, watch, and trust. This is the future of travel.
As these machines take over the skylines, we are retiring the romanticism of the aviator. The captain has been replaced by a technician behind a ground control screen, monitoring fleets from miles away. We have traded the warmth of human intuition for the unwavering precision of an algorithm. We are gaining efficiency and safety, but we are losing the soul of the journey. In this new era, we are no longer explorers of the sky. We have become high-speed cargo in a beautiful, windowed box.
Data proves that human error causes most crashes. Technically, this machine is safer than any human. But are you ready to trust your life to a line of code?
The sky is becoming a synchronized highway of silent machines. It's undeniably faster. But as we sit back and watch the world go by from an empty cockpit, we must wonder, have we gained a perfect pilot, or have we just lost our connection to the wind? The transition is no longer optional. It is already here.
The future has no pilot's license. To see the world change, subscribe to the Replacement 2026.
The cockpit is empty. The control is digital. The replacement has begun. See you in the next level.